I'm Nicole. I'd like to invite you to take a journey with me on freedom, power, and choice. But first, let's start in the beginning. Family's funny, isn't it? You can't choose them. And I myself would not trade mine for the world. I grew up in a 3-family house and have an older sister who's disabled. And at a very young age, I learned my superpower was to be an advocate and to support people to find their voice and step into the life that they want. I did this throughout my whole life, yet I stifled my own voice. I did everything I was told all the time. Came to a pivotal decision when I was graduating high school and going to further my education. I was only given 2 choices of 2 colleges to go to become a nurse. I got into both, but that wasn't my story. That wasn't what I was meant to do. I ended up dropping out of college and I started working full time, and I ran all the way up to the top, running group homes for disabled adults. I hit a ceiling and felt unfulfilled. Skip ahead a few years, Thanksgiving 2020, my cousin told me, there's this workshop. Why don't you take it? I said, yeah, sure, sign me up. And in true Nicole fashion, didn't ask any questions. I literally just showed up, not even knowing what it was about. It was the beginning of transformation in my life. I learned how to step into my power, choose the boundaries that worked for me, and had the choice to be who I authentically was. I ended up moving to where I wanted to be in Manhattan, and I currently am a holistic coach supporting people to find their voice and to step into their power and to have the freedom to choose who they want to be. I invite you to look at how I can support you, and we can join a partnership and figure out what is your dream life and what do you want.